Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 205 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So to get started you want to hold power key, select power off, and when the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up. So now that it vibrated we can start holding those two keys, power, volume up. Now after a couple seconds you should see TCL logo on a screen. Keep holding for like 2 more seconds and then let go of the keys. This will then take us to the recovery mode, from which you'll want to use volume keys to navigate down in order to select enter Fastboot mode, Fastboot mode, and just confirm it with power key. And there we go. As you can see, Android Fastboot. And in here you can also use volume keys to navigate with 3 options. We have reboot system now, we have enter recovery mode, which goes back. We have reboot to bootloader, which actually boots into Fastboot mode. It's just a different looking one, which is a little bit more annoying to leave. And we also have the power off option. It's basically all we have right here. Now I'm gonna leave this mode by selecting reboot system now, confirming it, and this will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.